Hi guys, this is the original Josh back again with Kranzle USA, Pressure Washer Perfection. And now we are going to replace the capacitor. We've diagnosed the problem is that the capacitor has failed. It either has swelled and ruptured, or we can tell just by a capacitance test that it's not working. So we're gonna go ahead and replace it. As always, we make sure our pressure washer is unplugged when we do this. Take the 4 screws out of the electrical enclosure, which we've already done. Off comes the lid. So now in this particular unit, there is a zip tie holding the wires together. So we'll go ahead and clip that. Remove this so it doesn't fall down into the motor. So here we have our capacitor, and we can access the wires pretty easily. Nice little terminal strip on this model. So with a small flat screwdriver, we'll unscrew the 2 ends. And the capacitor comes right out. Now, you might have noticed in this particular case, I didn't pay any attention to which direction the wires came out, because it doesn't matter. What is important, however, is that this one is rated for 80 microfarads. Microfarads is represented with that weird little U and F symbol right there. So we've got a replacement capacitor. You'll notice that these two look different. Some supply chain issues throughout the past couple years have changed brands a little bit, but as long as we have an 80 microfarad capacitor that fits into our housing, we're good to go. You can see these wires are a little bit longer, and you got a slightly thicker jacket. So you can certainly cut this back if you like, but there's plenty of room in here to hide the wires. Always give the wires a little tug just to make sure they're in there snugly. As I mentioned before, which wires you connect to which terminal does not make a difference. And once again, make sure that you tuck your wires so that they're not going to get pinched, leading to any other electrical faults. And this is a good time if you want to. I know some of you are going to obsess over how neatly the wires go back in. You want to get some zip ties, go right ahead, be my guest. But this right here is good enough for right now. This will, as long as the cover goes on without any difficulty, and sits even like so, we can put our screws back in, tighten it down, and we're ready to retest.
Kranzle USA, Pressure Washer Perfection.